The National Guard was deployed today here to the Andover Subacute and Rehab Facility in Andover, New Jersey. And these soldiers will be helping the staff of this 514-bed facility care for its residents. This comes after a scathing federal health inspection found horrific conditions inside, and 17 dead bodies were found piled up inside a room.
How would you describe conditions inside?
Horrible. Absolutely horrible.
After the bodies were found, the owner of Andover Subacute and Rehab Facility failed to follow through on a promise to give daily reports to the town mayor, who also serves on the local emergency squad. He's answered calls here before.
You can almost smell despair in the air. I couldn't breathe through my nose. Had to breathe through my mouth. The odors were so bad at times.
Federal inspectors are slamming this facility with $220,000 in fines. Among their findings, the facility failed to tell a resident's family or their doctor that he or she was sick for a period of 11 days. 3 days later, that resident was found dead. Another resident had a temperature of almost 105 degrees. He or she was given no medicine, was not monitored, and also was found dead. Another resident fell on a wet floor next to his bed and cut his head. The resident was not checked on. The next day, he was found without a pulse and not breathing. No one performed CPR. Nurses and staff were found wearing the same gloves, gowns, and masks in multiple residents' rooms. Sick and asymptomatic residents placed in the same room. Inspectors said the floors were filthy, sticky. 53 people have died here, and 66 more died at the sister facility across the street.
The inconsistent performance by operators in the long-term care facility space is extremely disappointing.
Over 25,000 have gotten coronavirus in New Jersey nursing homes, and almost 5,000 have died. The governor announced today New Jersey has suffered its first death of a child from the virus, a 4-year-old with an underlying medical condition. But statewide numbers of deaths and cases are trending down, so much that the governor will close Secaucus Field Hospital this weekend. Built for a surge, they wound up treating 258 patients. The test site at Bergen Community College will expand testing this weekend to those without symptoms starting Sunday. PNC Bank Arts Center will follow Monday. Back here in Andover now, the National Guard will be deploying 120 guardsmen to nursing homes across the state, not just here in Andover. Governor Murphy also says he's going to be making an announcement early next week with more concrete details on expanded testing and contact tracing to reopen the state's economy.